Hello everyone, welcome again to our Kafka training session, which is a learn by doing experience. In this video, we are diving into the first step of our project, creating an Azure Resource Group. But first, let's provide a short description of what a resource group is. Think of it as a container that organizes all the related resources for your application, project, or environment in Azure. Now, let's go ahead and create our resource group. Click Resource Group and then Create. The first step is to choose your subscription. Resource group name. We will give this resource group name. RJ stand for resource group, dev stand for development, and the rest describes our project, which focus on streaming and connecting between sources and destination. Choosing the region, the right region for our resource group is crucial. The region you select determines where your resources will be physically located. It's important to consider factors like user proximity and compliance requirement. In this training project, we have chosen Germany due to its proximity. And then next, and we click Create. So our resource group is created, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.